Hi friends, this tutorial I will teach how to create a login form in using Visual Studio .NET 2010 and SQL database. Okay, just I am going to start menu and go to Visual Studio 2010. Once you are open your project, just creating a new project. Then I am using the language called Visual C Sharp and Windows application. Select Windows application. My project name is Windows Form Application 4. Just I am click OK buttons. So one default form will become. So I will change this form to login form. Okay, how to change it? Just once I want to create it, first you have to uh, understand the concept. Okay, first I want to create the login form means I want username and password. So I am go to text box here, just one text box and one more text box, two buttons, one and two. Here I am just changing the text box equal to like go to arranging the text box and two labels. Two is not, I am using three labels. Okay, just I'm here tracking. I'm changing name to here user name. Here I'm change to password, PASS, password. Okay, I'm just arrange to here password. Okay, I have two buttons, one is login and this is exit. Here I am using and symbol, then you have to see like exit x in underscore x equal to underscore 1 is there in below the x. Okay, here login. Okay, I'm using one panel, like any logos or anything you need, then just through it. Just I'm going to login. Properties and go to font, just font to 20. Properties and go to form name equal to form and text equal to login window. Now it's changing login window. Just I'm changing a color like I like very much in this color, and here I'm changing little bit custom color. I'm going to check like that. It's not good, I think. I'm using this color only. Just I'm going to change both color equal to white. This is my thinking. Okay, just I'm leave it. Click exit button. This dot close and go to Once I hit the login button, I want to go like form 2. Okay, so I am creating the form on one more form. Go to Solution Explorer, right click, add new item or new forms. So this is main. Just add it and just little bit track it. Just I'm changing color like okay, Control S. I'm going to the login form and I'm hit form. My form name is main ss equal to new main. Just I'm like on 50. Okay, ss dot show. This dot hide. Just I'm running the form. This is login form. Just I'm clicking, the main window will be opened and okay, and run the programs. Just click exit, then the program will be exit. Okay, now I'm going to form and I'm creating the one database here. Just go to Server Explorer and I'm creating the one database like create new connections, and here go to type any database name like just data. I'm using database name is data. Here I am selecting the SQL Microsoft SQL Server file, database file. You have to go to and select here. Okay, any doubts? Just I'm here and just I'm click OK. The default programs will created in my documents. Okay, just OK. Yes. That once a database created, then you have to create like table name is login, and I will create two files like name and username and password. Okay, here my database here. Just I go to table. No table is there. Just right click, add new table. So here user name, data type varchar, and password. This is also varchar. Here I am using username underscore. Just I am using username, and here I am taking like that. Okay. Here I am using set primary key. Just Control S it, and table name is login, and click OK. So our table is created. Close. So I am creating. Just go to show data, show table data. We will show nothing. Here I am typing username is user PASS 123, pass 123. This is password. Okay, just I am going to here. Once I click login button, it will be login. Okay, just go to login button. Here I am writing I am importing the SQL using system.data.sql client. Okay, once I imported SQL client, here I am going, just I am write the program like connection, SQL connection, SQL connection con equal to new SQL connection. Here I will put the connection part, connection string. Just click the your database and right click and go to properties. Here connection string is there. Just double click and control C. Here in double quote you have to, inside the double quote you have to paste it. Just colon. Okay. This is my data. So here some errors is coming because of the single quote. Oh, just you have to go to hat symbol, the no error will be come. Otherwise you have to using double slash like that. So no need for that. Just I using at symbol like that. Okay. Now I want to using SQL data adapter because I want to try to fetch data. So I am using SQL data adapter. To SQL data adapter SDA equal to new SQL data adapter. Here I am writing like select star from login. Here no need to select star, just I am using count star. This is my logic. I am using some different logics. Okay, using count star. User name equal to plus text box on dot text and password equal to text box 2 dot text. Here some error code is there, so just I'm CON connection. Okay guys, now I am fetching that result into one data table, so I'm using data table dt equal to new data table like SDA dot fill dt. Now if dt dot rows like 0 0 to string equal to 1, then else message box dot show yes please check your user name and password. And edit. So I'm explaining this code. So first I'm running the programs like I'm just using hide the here and hide the minus. Okay, just I'm using first I'm using the SQL connection CON, using the I'm fetching the connection string here. After that, I'm using the SQL data adapter to run the SQL query. Select count star from login, where username equal to textbox1 and the password equal to textbox2 is right, then the count will be 1. Is wrong, anything is wrong, then count will be 0. Okay, so I'm using data grid and data table dt rows 0 column 0 row. The value is if equal to 1, then hide, the form will be hide, and main form will be coming like show. Otherwise the message will become please check your username and password like and all. Okay, okay guys, I'm just running the programs. So this is my window. Just I'm typing user and I am typing pass 123. Just click login. So login window will become. Okay, so I'm using wrong password and username. Then user and password pass 124. This is wrong, right? I'm clicking. Please check your username and password like that. Okay guys, we will teach our next tutorial in better projects, better logics. Okay, meanwhile if you have to any queries or any doubts, just post into comment me. I will definitely add the videos for your solutions. Okay guys, we will need